Hey team, how are you? Vicky, I want to shoot a quick video because I'm getting a lot of questions on my emails as far as all the new members that are joining, and a lot of them are asking how to get their blog started after they're doing their training. So this is what this will be geared up for. I'm going to send out a bunch of videos in a row here as far as some training on this. So the first thing that you want to do is, if you're going straight to empowernetwork.com, then you're going to want to click login, or you can go straight to empowernetwork/login.php. And the best way to log in is with your username. If you're on my list, check the emails. I sent you your username, and so did Empower Network. So it'll be there. And then the password you chose, I have no idea what it is, but Empower Network may have sent it to you. If you forgot it, just click on forgot, and they'll resend it to you to reset it, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is, you see here that I've already done all of my back office training. I'm 100% complete. So you want to make sure that you've gone through this. And then the last one is connect with your sponsor, which is me. Give me a call. You've got my number. Text me, email me, and I'm on New York time, so use that as a guideline as far as when the best time to call is. Done this training, you want to go straight to my products, and you may not have all of these because you may not be all in, but you know your goal is to go ahead and reinvest into your business and get all in. But right now, we're just going to work with the Kalatu blogging system. And what we're going to do here is, I'm a premium member, so I'm going to click on dashboard in case it doesn't take me straight to the dashboard. What you want to do is you want to go to my blogs, okay? And now this is going to show you, you see I've already created 3 blogs here, okay? Let me kind of enlarge this so you can see it. Make it like 110%. So I've already created 3 blogs. I can get up to 10. If you're basic, at 3, you'd be at the max. But really, I worked with just one blog for the longest time, and I added the other ones as time went on. So you can just do the one blog. And let me tell you something, even if you're just a trial member right now with the 2-week trial, 1-week trial, whatever it is, go through this step. Okay, so go ahead and create the one blog and start working with that. And as you start creating more and more blogs with it, you may want to get more advanced. So here's how we do it. So on your page, you may not have anything here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create new blog. Now, when you do this drop down, you see you've got 4 choices: building a brand online, blog for business online, blogging network online, blogging real estate online. Obviously, the last one is if you're going to focus on real estate or attracting real estate people, but that's not my niche right now. The domain cannot be changed, and the site name cannot be changed. So what I want to do here is, you see, so MLM leads. I already created this in another video, but let me kind of show you the steps I went through. So what I did is I went here, and you see it's blogging network online. That's what I chose. I put in capitalization doesn't matter. I'm just doing this so you're seeing a visual that it's MLM, and then leads is the new word. But again, capitalization doesn't matter. So let's just make it all lowercase. And then this is a title of it. This can be changed at any time. So I'm just going to say generating MLM leads. Okay, that could be changed at any time. Now, I've already created this blog. Let's see what happens when you choose a blog that's already created. Bam, it comes back with an error, duplicate site name. Now, it doesn't necessarily indicate that I am the one that has the duplicate, but that there already is a blog out there with that name. So even if someone else had picked it, you would get that same error. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say, okay, well, I really like this MLM leads name, but I really don't care if I'm blogging network or I'm building a brand online. Let me try that one. And you're going to create blog, and I know for a fact it's also taken. That's why I went with the 3rd one. So now I'm going to say, okay, you know what? I really want to stick with this MLM leads, but I can call it like leads for MLM, okay? Just for a visual. I'm going to make it capital. But again, the blogging platform is going to get to it whether you capitalize or not. But this is just for my visual, your visual. So I'm going to say, I like this name, leads for MLM.com, and I want to go with the blogging network online domain. So now I'm going to click create new blog, duplicate name. So someone already took that one. So let's see if I could get it from building a brand online. Duplicate name. So someone already took that. So let's do this. Leads MLM. This looks like it's available because it's taken some time. So it's probably creating it for me right now. And there it is. So it did create it for me. This is available. So you see, those are some of the similar steps that you may have to go through yourself. And then you're going to see now I've got 4 blogs here. So the more number of blogs, just the more complicated it gets. Like I said, I was just using the one blog that I was using, and that's really the best. So now let's say you created this and say, oh wait, I didn't want that one. You can go right over there, you could delete it or whatnot. But once you create your first blog, that's your permanent blog. So choose one that you like. I call mine Earn From Home. The other one I called Online Income. The reason why I try to avoid the word money in my website name, only because I feel that maybe money might end up in the spam folders if I end up sending out an email and the website name contains the word money in it. You know, you never know, but I like to use income or earn as opposed to money or cash, you know, stuff like that. But either way, you decide on how you want to do it. My next video is going to show you how to create your first blog post. Okay, so with that one, go ahead and get that done now, and then the next one will show you how to create your first blog.